Welcome to Chemistry Lab. You can see well set up lab here. Here is the requirements for your exam, that is certified journal, hall ticket, lab manual, lab coat, test tubes, pen pouch, napkins, etc. You will take with you for your exam. Chemistry practical exam February 2026, subject code 053. Here you will provide 2-page supplement for each question. So there are 3 questions in chemistry practical. So there are 3 supplements and each supplement for each question. Here is question 1. So this is first supplement. In first supplement, you have to write your exam number, center number, subject code, etc. Fill up all the details very carefully. After fill up all the details, start writing here. First we will write aim and then we will write result. Now we will start to write on first page. So first we will write our aim. Your aim will given to you by your examiner. Question number 1. Aim. You are given X molar KMnO4 solution in flask A bearing your table number. Flask B contains dash solution in dash 0.1 molar oxalic acid solution. Determine the strength of the solution in flask A in terms of molarity and gram per liter. Molar mass of KMnO4 158 gram per mole. And then you have to draw result table, and after getting value of molarity and gram per liter, you will write here molarity and gram per liter. Now turn your page. We will write observation. First we will write observation note. For that 2 marks are there. First one is burette X molar KMnO4 solution, pipette 10 ml oxalic acid solution, conical flask 10 ml oxalic acid solution plus 1 to 1.5 test tube, 1 molar H2SO4 solution, heat up to 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. Indicator, self-indicator, color change, colorless to light pink. After observation note, we will write equation. There are 2 types of equations, chemical equations and ionic equation. You can write any of these equation, and for that 2 marks are there. Now we will draw observation table. Here first column burette reading, in that final reading, initial reading, difference. Then second column first reading, second reading, third reading and fourth reading. My first reading was 10.1 ml, initial reading was 0.0, so difference is 10.1 ml. Second reading is 9.9, third is 9.9 and fourth one is 9.8. My 2 consistent results are 9.9, so my concordant reading is 9.9 ml. Now we will see distribution of 10 marks. Examiner have already final reading. So here plus or minus 0.1 difference is there. There will be 10 marks. If plus or minus 0.2 then 8 marks. If plus or minus 0.3 then 6. Plus or minus 0.4 then 4 marks. And plus or minus 0.5 then 2 marks. So this is all about observation and observation table. Now let us move on page number 3. Now over to last page. On last page we will do calculation. Calculation. Molarity of KMnO4 solution. Our titration is oxalic acid with potassium permanganate. So always write in words oxalic acid and potassium permanganate to avoid mistakes. Now formula is A1M1V1 equal to A2M2V2. What is A1? A1 is 2. From where? The number of electrons lost per formula unit of oxalic acid in a balanced equation of Hub cell reaction. So our A1 is 2. M1. M1 is 0.1. Oxalic acid molarity that is given in our aim. What is V1? V1 is 10. That is 10 ml pipette solution of oxalic acid. Now A2. A2 is 5. From where? the number of electron gained per formula unit of potassium permanganate in a balanced equation of half cell reaction. So, A2 is 5, M2 we have to find out, and V2 that is our concordant reading. Now put all the values in formula, and finally our M2 is 0.0404. Always write 4 digit after point decimal. Now we will count gram per liter of KMnO4. Formula molarity into molar mass. We will put value of molarity and molar mass, that is 158. So our gram per liter is 6.3832. Don't forget to write unit of molarity and gram per liter. Thank you all. All the best once again.